Hey guys, GSub Studios here. Today, I got a little bit of a special video for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how to download and play King Nightmares. Now, I'm not going to be doing a full walkthrough video, as that may spoil the game for some users, but throughout this King Nightmares playlist that I've now created, I will be going through a list of different videos throughout this whole King Nightmares series, where I'll be giving you guys walkthroughs of how to do certain sections of the game. For example, how to get all the endings from 1 through 4, how to get all the Easter eggs, how to get certain achievements, and stuff like that. Now with that all said, in this first initial video I will be showing you how to get the game. Simply go to g-sip.itch.io/king-nightmares. Go ahead and click on the download now button. Click on no thanks, just take me to the downloads, or donate if you want to, it's optional. Then you will have two options, the Windows version and the Linux version. Make sure you do not confuse these two, as Linux is in brackets highlighted. Make sure to click on the Windows version if you are on Windows. Go ahead and click on save. Then once it's done downloading, go ahead and open up King Nightmares version 22.0. For this specific video we're in version 22, but you may be on a future version. Go ahead and click on extract all, extract. Now that it's done extracting, make sure you go ahead and open up the now extracted folder, King Nightmares version 22.0, without the .zip at the end, and here you will see all of our files extracted. Make sure you extract the files before playing the game, or you could have certain graphical errors and other related issues. Now go ahead and launch kingnightmares.exe. Now some of you may get this blue screen warning. Do not worry, this is not a Windows Defender antivirus warning, this is different. This is basically Microsoft just telling you, hey, we don't know what the program is because it's not that popular, as I'm a small solo indie game dev. Simply click on more information if you get this warning and click on run anyway. The game will then boot on right up. And boom, you've now installed King Nightmares. See you in the next video!